If you want to organize your leads automatically when they fill out a form, in this video I will show you how to do that and how to add a tag through the form submission in GoHighLevel. So you can easily segment the contact and trigger the automations without manual work. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. Now, if that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link for the GoHighLevel. That's the double of the official 14 days. And obviously, you will get the live bootcamp access and you will get some exclusive bonuses. So don't miss that out, and let's get back to the video. So once you are inside the GoHighLevel dashboard, just click on this automation from the left side panel, and from here just click on this create workflow, this button, and go with this start from scratch. Now here just rename this workflow. So after rename this workflow, click on this add new trigger and search for the form submitted, like this one. Now just click on this save trigger, or if you want then you can set the specific form. The form is, now here let's say this one, I want to use this form. So if someone submit this form, it gonna give them a tag. So just set this form and click this save trigger. Now simply click on this small plus icon here to add an action and search for the tag. You can see there is an option to add contact tag. Just go with this, and if you want then you can use the existing tag, or if you don't want to use them then you can create a new one by going back to the tag option and create a new one. So just let's say I want to give a tag as the clicked one, so set that and now click on this save action. So before creating this workflow, you have to make sure that you have the form where people will submit their information, and you will have the tag. So if you don't have any tag or form, go back and create first the form and tag, and then just create this workflow. So that's it. Basically, this is how you can easily do that. So if someone submit any form, it will give them a tag. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link from the description. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.